nandito pala kami ngayon sa Soft Kiosk. Totoo pala yung sinasabi nila guys. May ano dyan oh, may kapihan. Ayun oh. Yo, may kapihan. At mayroon ding mahilig sa kape dito. Ayun oh. Yan, tingnan mo nagbihis. Para nakabili ng kape.
Tara na!
Ayun oh. Bibili ng kape. Cheese egg breakfast. Chicken sandwich.
Hello.
Do you have a bacon breakfast wrap?
One bacon wrap?
Yeah.
Did you want it spicy?
Yes. And coffee.
And a coffee?
Yeah.
And what size would you like? We just have the two sizes right here.
Large.
Large?
Yes.
And do you need room for cream?
Cream, yeah.
Anything else about today?
That's it.
Alright, so one bacon wrap, large coffee, comes to $13.75, please. On card?
Okay.
And then we just have our cream and sugar on the side counter there, guys.
Okay.
Oops, what did I do?
One BG breakfast wrap, please.
Not, it's a fish tray. Saan yung sinasabi niya yung ano? Sukal?
Ayun.
Ha? Pag wala yung problema, di na. Pero pag may problema, balik. Pag na-detect mo yung problema,